Hello, my name is Chris Porch, and we are here today to talk to you about the temperate deciduous forest. A temperate deciduous forest is a forest containing trees that have leaves. These trees have adapted this way to survive in the winter. It is too cold for trees to keep their leaves in the winter, so they fall off. The brown bear has a thick coat to keep it warm, has long claws to climb trees, and can eat both plants and animals. There is some farmland close to our area, along with small rivers and ponds. The main resource in this area are trees, but there are also animals that can be farmed.
There are many ways to reduce your carbon footprint, but here are 3. Number 1. Carpool with a friend. Or if you don't have any, then take public transportation. By taking public transportation or carpooling, less CO2 is being released into the atmosphere. Less CO2 in the atmosphere means less acid rain. Number 2. Recycle. Keeping trash at landfills reduces GHG emissions and is overall better for the environment. Landfills incinerate trash and release over 40 million tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. With recycling, less energy and less products are needed to create the new product. Step 3. Less meat and more locally grown vegetables or fruits. By eating more locally grown foods, less fuel will be used to ship it to your location. The shorter the distance to transport the foods, the less CO2 will be released. Meat requires much more resources than vegetables to produce. For example, meat requires feed, land, and water. All require energy to transport or make. Raising beef makes 11 times more CO2 than wheat, rice, or potatoes. Humans have impacted the temperate deciduous forest in ways that will never fully heal. As we speak, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are being released into the atmosphere. They then affect rainwater by polluting it with chemicals, forming acid rain. When this rain falls, it reduces the trees' resistance to diseases and even destroys their leaves. This causes the trees to die, which causes the animals to die, which causes the ecosystem to die. Humans are also affecting the earth by clear cutting. This destroys the ecosystem, and it can take hundreds of years for the forest to grow back.